This is my silver lizard male. He's very beautiful. He's very good. 2011 ring, close ring. This is my pair Pio. That's the male, and that's the hen. She's beautiful, red eyes and beautiful color. She's sitting on 3 eggs. And this is my Dutch frill. That's the hen. 3 beautiful chicks in there. And that's the cockbird. This is my other pair, Pio, with the hen. She's sitting on 2 babies. That's my Pio. With a beautiful hen. So beautiful. Look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's a good male. It's my pair of grey wings with 2 chicks. Very nice, nice color, beautiful color. So good singer. That's a hen. That's my other pair, Satinette. The male, this one. The hen on eggs. She's sitting on 4 eggs. That's my other male. Going from Italy. He's a good singer and he's a lovely boy. He's so cute. Hello. He's a beautiful boy. And here we have 2 lizards. You haven't seen canary like that in your life. She got around her eyes black. She's so pretty. You see it? And there's 2 male lizards and that thingy. She's so cute. This hen is so cute. Look at her eyes, you can see. She's so nice. And I've got the cockbird there. He's a very good singer. He's also grey wings. They haven't color fed him, that's why he's not red. But I'm gonna color fed him this year in August. Hopefully be alright. Just watching how he sings. Let's see how he sings. He's a really nice one.